On this episode, we'll clean and service one of the world's best touring, bikepacking, and long-distance travel bicycles since 2007, the Surly Long-Haul Trucker. The Surly Long-Haul Trucker has a rich history as a versatile and reliable touring bike that withstands the rigors of long-distance touring. It's a touring bike that handles heavy loads, provides a comfortable ride over long distances, and accommodates a wide variety of terrains. Introduced in the mid-2000s, the bike prioritized comfort, durability, and the ability to carry heavy loads, making it an ideal choice for cyclists embarking on extended journeys. The Long-Haul Trucker was designed with several key features. The frame is crafted from durable and reliable chrome moly steel, providing both strength and a smooth ride. The geometry is optimized for stability and comfort during extended rides, making it well suited for touring. It has a versatile drivetrain, allowing for a wide range of gearing options to handle different terrains. The frame allows for wider tires and fenders, providing flexibility for riders to customize their setup based on preferences and needs. Long-haul truckers come in two wheel sizes, 26-inch and 700C. I bought mine in 2011. It's a 56-centimeter frame with 700C wheels. Bridget's was bought in 2014. She wanted a 52-centimeter frame with 26-inch wheels. Deciding on which size is best for you will mainly be based on your height, but not necessarily. Some folks prefer 26-inch wheels, even on the larger size frames. I've been extremely happy with my long-haul trucker. My first ride on the bike was the 2011 Bicycle Ride Across Nebraska, a week-long ride across Nebraska from west to east. Since then, I've logged thousands of miles with 5 more bicycle rides across Nebraska and dozens of rides including Nebraska's Cowboy Trail, Iowa's Wabash Trace, South Dakota's Mickelson Trail, and countless other rail trails and pathways. I call it my battleship on two wheels. It may not be the lightest bike I own, but it's the most comfortable one, and it gets the job done every time. Bridget racks up the miles on her long-haul trucker as well. A few months ago, she was preparing for a ride in Wisconsin, so we decided to give her long-haul trucker an overdue tune-up. Always the fan of history, I'll provide a snippet for you now. You'll notice the Ya Ya decal on Bridget's bike. She graduated from St. Olaf College, and Ya Ya is the famous St. Olaf College fight song. This long-haul trucker belongs to my daughter Bridget. We got it for her right when she graduated from college. She was planning on going on a ride from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, down the entire Pacific Coast Highway to San Diego. She did that ride with two friends, two of her best friends from college. So we wanted something, rugged that would hold a lot of luggage. She has the Surly rack on the back. Actually, we still have the Surly rack for the front. Since then, she put this smaller rack with a basket on, which she likes a lot. She's gone on a lot of rides on this bike. They rode, her and one of the same friends, they rode across highways from Seattle all the way into Montana one summer, a couple of summers ago. It's been rock steady for her. More recently, she's taken it on like state rides, overnight bikepacking trips, rails to trails. We have some great trails here in Nebraska and Iowa, old railroads converted to trails. So when she rides on the gravel, it gets pretty dirty. The chain gets gunked up in the derailleur. I've replaced the chain before, but I'm going to put a new one on. I think it's been a couple of thousand miles since she's had a new chain. And the bar tape's getting a little ragged, a little torn. So we're just going to clean it up and lube up the areas like the brake cables and shift cables. We're going to get this thing looking good. Our new chain is the same length as the old chain, so we don't have to take out any links. We can just install the new chain and add the quick link. Having a rack installed is a little bit of a challenge. To make it around the rack, so you have to make it around the rack, but you also have to go at some point underneath the brake clip cable. You want to keep pressure on the tape, but you don't want to stretch it too much. And you don't want to stretch it too much, but you want to maintain a tautness or a pressure without stretching. It's kind of a fine line. And originally we put these extra little pads underneath the tape, between the bar and the tape, for a little extra grip, and that actually makes it a bit of a challenge to end up with the correct length here. We'll cut this at an angle parallel with the bars. And we'll get our electrical tape handy. Okay, this one's got to come under the cable. So that's it. We breathed new life into Bridges Long Haul Trucker just in time for more adventure this summer. Happy trails. We'll see you next time. Hey Radmatic fans, check out radmatic.com for cool BMX and cycling t-shirts and apparel. We have plenty to choose from, with more in development. Celebrate the vintage days of BMX racing. Proudly display your enthusiasm for all things BMX and cycling. Each shirt comes in multiple colors and sizes. Buying shirts at radmatic.com is one way you can help support this channel. Until next time, stay rad and keep doing it in the dirt.